What's up? Welcome back. My name, and today we're learning what not to say to deaf people, because they will judge you. And I hate when people ask me this. One, are you deaf? And it's like loud, and slow, and their eyes are like, don't do that. Please don't ask that. You can say, are you deaf? Are you hard of hearing? Are you hearing? But not scream it and not talking in a slow motion. They're deaf, not dumb. We can understand your sentences just fine. And the second one, can you talk? Or are you sure you're deaf? You can talk. Don't ask that. You can obviously ask, do you have a cochlear implant or hearing aids? But don't judge them on their answer. It's a very personal decision if you want to have hearing aids or a cochlear implant. So please don't ask that. And then the last one, there's so many things, but the last one is, can you drive? Especially if they're of driving age. Why wouldn't deaf people be able to drive? It's just a stupid question. One person, I made a video about this, and they said, well, deaf people shouldn't drive because how would they know their car is breaking down and they can't hear it? It's they have little flashing things in your car that says something's wrong. There's accommodations.